All right, here we go. This cast is the cast. Cast of dreams. Boom.
Maybe half a year or something.
Oh my gosh, these things are huge. Dude, it's so fun on like these small rods.
Yeah.
Cause I usually bluegill fish on like 7-foot rods. This is a 5.6. Got something. I don't know what I got, but I got something. Oh, just a bluegill. Hey, bluegill on the spinnerbait. Man, I thought that thing was huge. Well, you don't see that every day. There we go. Whoa, that's a red breast. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of bass fishing now. Got one. It's big. Is that a turtle? It feels, oh my God. Dude, it's huge. Oh my. Oh! Can you grab my net? It's in my back. It's on the back of my backpack. Dude, holy. Come on, get out of there, get out of there. Woo! I think I'll get him. I think I'm good. Oh God, I'm good. Oh! Dude, that's a pretty nice fish.
I don't know how to close this.
Don't worry about it. All right, last look. Boom. Brian! No! I just lost a bass. And I got the worst backlash I've ever had. I gotta get the bait out of the tree first. Come on! No! Bro. Guys, my GoPro ran out of SD space, but I just pulled in this huge bass. This has to be like 3 or 4 pounds. We'll go get away on him. Wait. It hit 2.8 for a second. Hold on. Let me reweigh this. Yeah, 2.5. All right, 2.5. So yeah, that's still a really nice fish.
It's not so much. It's long, but not fat.
Yeah, it's really long. It's just really skinny.
Yeah.
All right, let's go release him. Here we go. And for the release. Graceful.
Very
Where do you
graceful.
swim? Come on.